kind of a no-brainer. You might be coming from the point of you don't know code and I did know code, so I had an advantage. Well, I might have had a little advantage, but I also didn't know C#. This is my first time using Unity using C#. And I knew some C++. I was not an expert at C++, so even when I was trying it with Unreal, I still had to learn a ton. And starting from scratch with C#, I have to learn everything from scratch. I have a better understanding since I understand code, but I still have to learn it from the basics, from the ground up. If I were to start over, I would learn coding from the get-go and I wouldn't touch visual scripting at all. Now in the future, I might do a little hybrid work between the two if some things are faster, just for implementation, but I'm probably going to strictly stick with coding. What I'd recommend to you if you are on the fence of visual scripting or coding, or I know coding can be scary and it can be intimidating, I would still recommend coding. You're going to be a stronger game dev, a stronger developer if you learn coding. You will. When you learn to code, kind of rewiring your brain, how you think, right? You're finding connections, you're problem solving in ways you didn't realize you could. You're making connections, you're seeing things in the world about yourself, about the daily tasks, ways you wouldn't normally look at it, right? You learn that when you start coding. You learn that every little detail matters when you code. And you just rewire your brain a little bit. So my point is, you don't get that same effect when you do visual scripting. But you do get that when you do coding. And you also can apply that when you do visual scripting. Now, visual scripting is good. It is, and it has its place, and it is fully capable of making games. Don't get me wrong, it is. Especially as an indie, you can make any indie game you want, pretty much. Especially as a solo dev.